This RMD Garage Series is brought to you by Raceline Wheels.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Juan Estrada. I'm working here on the F-100. This is the Underdash. This is PVC board that Joe was working on. He molded this. We're using this to hold our AC vents. What I added here is just filler, just to sand it off, make it look nice and smooth. The way this is gonna go is it's gonna sit right on the dash. The clutches, the gauges are gonna go on this side. The AC is gonna hide under here. So as you can see, when we wrap this, it's gonna go under the dashboard. All I have to do is just sand this down, look a little nice and smooth, wrap it in 100% Italian leather, and then it'll be ready to go. Here we have a one-piece headliner. This is all leather with the Alcantara suede on the inside. We use handmade aluminum trim that we made in-house, same as here. And we made this line just to match it with the door panels, make it look nice and cool. And we're using this beautiful doom light right in the center. So when the light's up, it's gonna light up the whole interior. Once this thing's done, it's gonna look great. So last time you seen this piece, it had 2 air vents, and Rob decided to add 2 more air vents. We added them right in the center. So I cut up the hose, added plexiglass rings around it, and just filled it up with fiberglass and filler just to smoothen it up. So we have our vents from Mod Air. These are the Velocity Lucky 7 vents, and these are what we're gonna be using for these vents that fit just perfectly right on the hose that we made. So now I'm gonna make my patterns out of clear vinyl, transfer them to leather, stitch them up, and it should be ready to glue it on. Now that I cut all my patterns out of clear vinyl, I'm transferring to leather. The reason I'm cutting them out of vinyl first is so I can have my exact pattern, and I'm getting them ready to stitch them up. Double stitching is one of the most important things, because when you look at the interior of the car, I mean, it's just like one of the things that stands out the most. So most important part of the step is making sure your double stitching is nice and straight. To help me stretch the leather, this is why I'm using a heat gun. It makes the leather easier to work with. I'm just gonna make my relief cuts. At the same time, it helps me stretch the leather a little more. So as you can see, our piece is finally ready. Reno leather, 100% Italian. After I wrapped it, I give it a little bit of steam just to smooth it out, get rid of these wrinkles, shrink it a little bit, and that's what it makes it look nice and smooth. As you can see here, we have my stitching. It looks nice and straight as we wanted it. We have our components from Mod Air. It's definitely gonna look really cool once the dash is finally installed. Here in the center, we have an aluminum trim that we made in-house. We used the Ford logo just to add a little bit of originality to it. Also from Mod, we have our AC controllers. With the stainless steel mesh, I think they look really cool. So now my work here is done. Now I'm just waiting for the guys to finish painting the truck. As soon as that's done, this thing will be ready to start, so stay tuned for that.